Can we meet at the library after school? Sure, let's meet at 3:30 p.m. in the study room. Who's bringing the biology notes? I'll bring my notes from Mr. Smith's class. Should we focus on algebra first? Yes, we have the math test on Friday. Does anyone understand photosynthesis? I can explain it. I made some helpful diagrams. Where did you find that formula? It's on page 84 of the chemistry textbook. Can I join your study group? Of course. We meet every Tuesday and Thursday. How long are we studying today? Let's plan for 2 hours until 5:30 p.m. Who's good at world history? Sarah knows a lot about ancient civilizations. Can we review the English essay format? Sure. I have Mrs. Johnson's guidelines here. Is anyone bringing snacks? I'll bring some cookies and fruit. Where's the quietest place to study? The second floor of the library is usually quiet. Did anyone take notes on cell division? Yes, I have detailed notes from last week. How do you solve these equations? Let me show you step by step. Can we practice speaking French? Yes, we can take turns having conversations. Who's leading today's discussion? Mike is leading the literature discussion. Should we make flashcards? That would help for vocabulary review. Can you explain this graph? Sure. Let me break down each component. What time is the physics review? We're meeting at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Did everyone do the practice problems? I finished most of them, but question 5 was hard. Can we share the research materials? I'll email everyone the PDF files. Who's taking notes today? I can take notes and share them later. Should we make a study schedule? Yes, let's plan out the next 2 weeks. Anyone understand this concept? Let me try to explain it differently. Can we use the whiteboard? Yes, it helps to visualize the problems. What chapter are we covering? We're reviewing chapter 6 today. How many people are coming? 8 people confirmed for today. Did you bring your calculator? Yes, I have my scientific calculator. Can we take a break? Let's take 10 minutes after this section. Who needs help with Spanish? I could use help with verb conjugations. Should we make a study guide? That's a good idea for the final exam. Can you check my work? Sure. Let me look at your solutions. What's the main theme of this book? Let's discuss the author's message. Are we meeting this weekend? Yes, Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Who has the lab report template? I can share the template with everyone. Should we split into pairs? That might help for problem solving. Can you explain this diagram? Let me point out the key elements. What's on the test? Chapters 7 through 9 will be covered. How do you memorize these dates? I use a timeline to keep them organized. Can we practice these problems? Let's work through them together. Who's good at essay writing? Emily can help with essay structure. Should we record our discussion? That might be helpful for review. Can you draw that molecule? I'll sketch it on the whiteboard. What's the best way to study this? Let's make a concept map first. Are we using the study guide? Yes. Let's follow the review sheet. Who needs extra help? I need help with these formulas. Can we meet online instead? Sure, we can use Zoom tomorrow. What's the homework due date? It's due next Wednesday. Should we quiz each other? That would be good practice. Can we share textbooks? Yes, we can take turns using mine. How's everyone feeling about the test? I feel better after this study session.